Welcome. This video will give you an overview of the process to get your first New Jersey driver license. Now, you will probably have more questions after the video. The best source of information is our website, njmvc.gov. That should be your first stop for any question you have. So let's get started. First, everyone who gets a New Jersey driver license must go through the graduated driver license process. Your first step is getting a permit. You can go to our website, njmvc.gov, for instructions. First, you'll need the application for a permit. You can get this and fill this out online. Then you will make an appointment to get your permit. When you select your permit type, if this is a basic standard license to drive a car, select Purchase an Auto Examination Permit. Bring your signed application, 6 points of ID, and $10 to a licensing center.
Hi, how can I help you? I'm here for a permit. Okay, you're going to fill this form out.
The next step is the first check of your identification documents.
A191 at counter number 10.
Where your number is called, go to the counter. Now you have your permit. Next, you'll go home and schedule your knowledge test. After you get your permit, you need to take a knowledge test. You can go to our website, njmvc.gov, for instructions. Make sure you've studied for your test. To schedule your appointment, fill in your zip code and permit number. You do not need a Social Security number. Bring your permit and a photo ID or your primary ID to your appointment.
Hi, how can I help you?
I'm here for the knowledge test.
You have your permit?
Yes.
Now serving M002 at counter number 21.
Where your number is called, go to the counter. You'll be able to take the test in English, Spanish, or one of 10 other languages. You have 1 hour to take the test. You'll see on the computer whether you've passed or failed. When that happens, return to the counter. There's also a vision test. You'll need to say the letters you see. If you've passed your test, the MVC Tech will schedule your road test for 3 months later, 6 months if you're under 21. If you failed the test, you'll need to schedule another test at least 7 days later. After 3 months of practice driving, 6 months if you're under 21, you can take your road test. You must schedule your test at our website, njmvc.gov. To schedule your appointment, fill in your driver's license and permit number. You do not need a social security number. You must come to your road test with a licensed driver over 21 who has had their license for at least 3 years. Your vehicle must be properly registered with a current inspection sticker. The safety specialist must be able to reach the foot brake or parking brake, and the vehicle must be safe. You will not be able to take the test if your vehicle has poor brakes, a defective parking brake, unreasonably unclean interior, a fast engine idle, missing seat belts, unlawfully tinted windows, or unsafe tires. You need to bring your permit, 6 points of ID, and if you're under 21, decals. You should have purchased your decals when you got your permit. The safety specialist will direct you on what to do for your test in English. Be sure to check all your mirrors when you are doing a maneuver, and come to a complete stop at stop signs. If you have passed your test, the MVC tech will mark your permit so you can get a probationary license at a licensing center. If you failed the test, you'll need to schedule another test at least 14 days later. After you've passed the road test and practiced driving for 6 months, you can get a probationary license. Bring your stamped permit, 6 points of ID, proof of your address, and $6 to a licensing center.
Hi, here for my probationary license.
The next step is the first check of your identification documents.
A191 at counter number.
Where your number is called, go to the counter. When the MVC tech asks you to answer questions on the signature pad, here's what you'll see. Do you want to be an organ tissue donor? Select yes or no. This is very important. If you are not eligible to vote, that is, if you are under 17 or not a U.S. citizen, select decline. Attempting to register to vote if you are not eligible is against the law. If, however, you are a citizen and eligible to vote, you may hit continue and go through the pages to update your voter registration. If you get to this page, which says, "Are you a citizen of the United States of America?" and do not want to answer this question, hit back. Whether you register to vote or not, you will see the confirmation page. Then you will be asked to sign. Your probationary license will be mailed to you. After you've practiced driving for at least 1 year, you can upgrade to a basic license at our website, njmvc.gov.